Hey everyone, welcome back to MTechZudo, your destination for professional tech learning. In the previous episodes, we explored the lower layer of the OSI model, physical, data link and network, the foundation that moves bits and packets across network. In this video, we will complete the journey of the data communication by focusing on the upper four layers: the transport, session, presentation and application layer. These layers are where raw data becomes real, meaningful information that user can interact with, and by the end of this video you will see how the OSI model transforms signals into experiences. So let's begin. The 7-layer OSI model gives us a roadmap for understanding how data moves through a network. While the lower layers handle physical transmission and routing, the upper layers handle end-to-end communication and data preparation for the user. These top 4 layers are transport, layer 4, session, layer 5, presentation, layer 6 and application, layer 7 are often called the host layers because they operate on end systems like computers and servers. What's their job? To manage conversations, organize information, apply security and present it in a usual form to the application. So, first go to the transport layer. The transport layer is like a quality assurance manager for data delivery. It ensures that all data segments arrive error-free, in order and without duplication, maintaining reliability between the sender and the receiver. Functions of transport layer: segmentation and reassembly. Breaks large messages into smaller parts and reassembles them later. Flow control prevents the sender from overblaming the receiver. Error recovery detects lost or corrupted segments and retransmits them. Now, protocols used in transport layer. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. Reliable and connection oriented, used for web, email and file transfer. UDP, User Datagram Protocol, fast and connectionless, used in video streaming, gaming and VoIP. In short, TCP focuses on reliability while UDP focuses on speed. Together, they power most of the internet's communication. Now, session layer. Managing conversations. Next up, the session layer, the conversation manager between devices. It sets up, maintains, and ends the communication sessions between applications on different systems. Functions of session layer. Establishment sets up the rules for communication, for example, whether the session is half duplex or full duplex. Maintenance keeps the session active with synchronization points, allowing recovery if a connection drops. Termination gracefully closes communication, ensuring no data is lost. If a file transfer stops at 90%, the session layer ensures it can resume from the last checkpoint, not restart from zero. Examples: NFS, SIP, RPC. So the session layer is like a smart call manager. It remembers the conversation, keeps it on track, and ensures nothing gets lost. Now, presentation layer, data translation and security. The presentation layer, also called the syntax layer, is responsible for data translation, encryption, and compression. It ensures that data from one system is readable and compatible with another. Key points. Data translation converts between formats. ASCII to another, Unicode, JS on XML. Encryption and decryption secures data during transmission protocol like SSL, TLS, live here. Compression reduces file size for faster transfer like JPEG, MP3 or MP4 formats. So, when you browse a secure HTTPS websites or stream a video, the presentation layer ensures your data is properly formatted, compressed and protected. Now, application layer. This is the last layer of the OSI model. The user interface. Finally, we reach the application layer, the top of the OSI model and the one closest to the user. This layer provides network services and interfaces that allow software applications to communicate over the network. Functions of OSI application layer. Application services establishes communication and verifies resources. User interface acts as a gateway between user and the network. Data definition defines how data is structured and exchanged. Key protocols of application layer: HTTP, HTTPS, web browsing, FTP for file transfers, SMTP, IMAP, POP3 for email. DNS converts domain names into IP addresses. Every time you open a website, send an email or download a file, you are directly interacting with the application layer. So, let's see how these four layers work together in real life. Application. The streaming apps uses HTTP to request the video. Presentation. The server decrypts the HTTPS connection and decompresses the video using quotes. Session. Layer 5 manages your session, allowing you to pause, rewind or resume playback. Transport. Layer 4 uses TCP or UDP to ensure smooth delivery of the video packets. This teamwork between the upper layers ensures your video plays seamlessly, clear, secure and uninterrupted. Understanding these upper layers isn't just theory, it's a practical. Troubleshooting. Knowing which layer causes issues saves time. Security. Encryption layer 6 and authentication layer 7 make network safer. Development. Developers uses upper layer protocols instead of reinventing them. These layers bridge the physical network and human interaction, turning raw data into real-world digital experiences. So, That's how the upper layers of the OSI model, transport, session, presentation, and application, complete the journey of data communication. Together, they transform bits and packets into the smooth, interactive experiences we use every day. If this video helped you understand the OSI model better, hit like, share and subscribe and turn on notifications for more professional networking tutorials for MTechZudo. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.